Also, here's a little quick tip to clean off any contact paper residue or any sort of gook that you find in a drawer. If the white lightning or your cleaner doesn't get it off, take one of these painter tools and try scraping it off. I've used this painter tool to remove stickers. I've used it to remove gum. Here I'm using it to remove the leftover residue from the contact paper. And really it's a multi-purpose tool. It works for numerous things and I wouldn't want to be without it. I believe they cost around $10 on Amazon, but there are so many uses for it. So it's a great tool to have in your toolbox. As you can see, it worked like magic.